In rest position, make sure that your arm isn't touching any of the violin strings. And I want to find our G string. Okay, it's right here. It's the thickest string. I'm going to take my fourth finger, my pinky, and I'm going to pluck the G string, pulling down to the ground. I'm going to pluck the D string, the next one over. D, 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 D. And the next string, A, 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 A. And the thinnest string, the E string. Let's practice that one more time. G, 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 G. D, 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 D. A, 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 A. And E, 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 E. Why don't you pause this video and experiment saying the name of the string while plucking it at the same time. This plucking that we've been doing has a special name. It's called pizzicato. So we've been performing pizzicato on the open G, D, A, and E strings.